In this video, we will discuss and verify how we can get help in Kali Linux. Not only Kali Linux, any flavor of Linux. By the way, there are several resources available to get information whatever you need and how to configure and how to use these commands. So you can get the entire information of that command easily in Kali Linux as well. Some of these are already installed in Kali Linux and some of them you can easily install. The first command which you can use to get help is man. Man means manual. This man or manual, it provides you help regarding your commands. And it will explain you every command which is available in your Kali Linux. It will show you the entire manual for that, like a manual. And all the switches and whatever you can use that command, for which purpose and how to use them. So it's very powerful, this man, and it can provide you. You can use arrow keys to go up and down to navigate to the main page. You can type Q to quit from the main, and you can search as well, which I will show you in the lab. Next command is info. Info is similar like a main. It will show you the entire documentation, the entire manual of that command. Similarly, we have another command to provide you help in Kali Linux is pinfo. This pinfo is similar like a info and manual, but it adds color as well and provide you more overview regarding that command. It's like a reference. Also, we can use what is. It will show you one line summary of the command. And we have which as well, which will show you the full path of the shell command and the location of the program. So which is also very powerful help command. Similarly, we have the documentation for each and everything. You can find them under the user share doc. You will find a lot of documents there, the manual, which you can read them. Obviously, we have Kali documentation as well and the tool documentation as well online. So you can go to www.kali.org docs and you can hear introduction about the Kali, installation about the Kali, virtualization, USB Kali and ARM, container, etc. You can see a lot of things are there. So you can go to this manual. Suppose a Kali Linux image overview. So here is the image overview. What is Kali Linux? It can show you all the things here. And should I use Kali Linux? So you can see all the documentation is available. Similarly, related to every tools which you are using inside the Kali Linux. So this is the tool documentation. Suppose Hedra, these are the documentation. Nmap, these are the documentation. Wireshark documentation, and similarly all the tool documentation. So you can use the online help as well. So also there is another command -h either help. So you can type this command after the command and it can show you the help. So we can use all these things so we can easily get help regarding any command if we stuck, either if we want to know some more information about any command. So you can use all these methods. So let's go to our lab to see. So let me go to Kali Linux. Okay, and the first thing which I was discussing is man. Okay, man is manual. Even the man, if you know about the man, so you can type man and man page. Let me type page. So hit enter. This is all about this man. It can help you about the man page. So this page describes you see all the documentation about this main page. So I say, tell me about the main. So it show me the main information as well. And you can go by space bar, you can go by arrow keys down, you can see by arrow keys. Okay, and it's mentioned here, press H for help, either Q or quit. So as I say, if you want to quit from here, so just press Q, and now I'm quit. So I said, tell me about the main, which is the manual. Now it can help you if I say, suppose if I want main about password and hit enter. So I say, what is this password command? Let me do it. Let me quit from here. Let me make them more simple. Suppose main cd. Okay, so cd, suppose ls. So I say that ls means less directory contents. So this main tell you entire detail of this ls command. And I say list information about the file, the current directory by default. And it is sorted in alphabetically, and it's showing like this. Then I say you can use -a, which is for all. You can use this almost all, capital A. And there is this one, it's showing you all the switches as well. And here is B, C, and you can go by space bar, and you can go by arrows key, so it can show you all the thing, and even it will show you some example as well. So let's go down, let's see, and let me go by space bar because a lot of information is there about this ls command. So here is, okay, it's mentioned the version and everything, and let's go down more. Okay, it's total 239 pages, and now I'm here in 220, and you can type quit. So here is, and I can go by space and all those things you can see. And if I want to quit, I can type Q to quit from here. So it show me everything related to ls, an example as well. Not ls, any command you have a doubt, suppose password command. Okay, password, and hit enter, so it show you that one as well, and quit from here. Similarly, suppose if I want a main related to any command, if you stuck, and if you want to know mkdir, suppose I use this command, suppose. So it will tell you that if you want to make a directory, so for that purpose you can use mkdir. There is option, there is directory, and here is mentioned each and everything. I can go by space bar, and here is, let me quit. So this main is very powerful, okay, which provide you the manual. The next command I told you about, pinfo or info. So what I can do, info, and I can type password, suppose the same thing, password, and look at now, it's almost similar like a manual, and it's showing me all the detail with example and each and everything with more detail than the manual. Let me Q to quit, and info, let me see the next thing which I saw was ls. Let's see now, look at now. It's a less directory content, and let's go down, look at now. It's showing me each and everything about this ls command, and there is an example recursive, we use that one, and you can see it's showing me each and everything and with example, and let me Q to quit this one. So info is there. In case if info is not working, you need to install them. It's so easy, apt, and you can type install, and you can type info. As I say, some of these are available by default, and some of them you need to install. Okay, and you can sorry, yes, yeah, apt, I forgot t, install info. Okay, because I have permission, so you just need to use sudo. I'm a normal user, that's why, and hit enter. It's already installed in my case. In case if it is not, you can type sudo apt install info, and you can install this command. What was the next command? pinfo. So we can use pinfo password suppose again, and here is you can use, so it almost similar, a lot of information like info with color code. Okay, there is a different way with color code, and also like a manual. Q to quit again in case this command is not installed. So again you can type sudo apt install, and here you can type a pinfo. Okay, and hit enter, and it will install for you. Man is available by default. These two commands may not be available. You can install easily. What else? What was the what is? So if I say what is ls, so in one word it say list directory contents. You can see we discussed theoretically. And if I say cd, so you can see now, okay, cd is not appropriate, so it's better to use password. So it say change user password and some more other as well, so it show you those as well. Okay, similarly if I use mkdir, so it say make directory, create a directory, so in one word. Then which command, so which password, hit enter, it show you the directory, so which is in under the user bin and password. Similarly if I say ls, where is ls, so it's showing me that it's ls. Okay, and if I say mkdir, so it's you will find them under user bin mkdir. Okay, so you can use which command as well. Next command which we can use is there is cd, and you can go to user share a doc, and if I say ls, there is a lot of documentation available for each and everything. Okay, and you can type less, and you can read them, any of these document. There is documents available for each and everything. Let me make them as a list. Here is, so a lot of documents is available under this directory, and you can read them, the complete manual for each and everything. Let me clear the screen. Next thing, so we have a share documentation as well, where you will find under this directory, and you can read them under user share and doc. Another command is password suppose, and if you need help, you can type a help and hit enter. Look at now, even for help there is a dash h as well. So rather than to type this one, I can type h only as well, and it's showing me with example and each and everything that with the password you can use a. Let me make them ls, so it will be more easy. Suppose I say ls and dash help. It's, by the way, double dash help, and here is, let's go up, and now it will clear to you. So you can use a dash help, and look at now, we use this one with all, and there is this one, we have cb, all the switches, and example as well, directory, folder, and each and everything. Okay, so you can use dash help as well at the front of any command, and it can help you. Suppose I use mkdir as well, and dash help, and look at now, it's showing me that these are the detail and what is the mkdir. Then we have whereas. Suppose if I say whereas password command, so it show you the entire detail. Okay, and if I say ls, so it's showing me the ls detail, mkdir, so it can, sorry, mkdir, and here is. Okay, so we can use which I told you about whereas. Okay, we have locate as well. So locate password, you can use this command. So where is the password, whatever the document, all the path it will show you. Okay, and let me use ls or mkdir. This is just few example, you can use anything. Okay, so it will show you everything which has mkdir. And then type means cd. Suppose, so it says cd is a shell built-in, and if I say ls, so it is say ls is an alias for ls color auto, and let me say mkdir dir. It's say mkdir as this is the directory. So type is basically will tell you is built in or not. This for that purpose we can use. So these are all the help command which you can utilize them. So I give an example of man. Okay, I give an example of pin info, what is and which. You can go to this directory. Okay, and where is the this command. It will show you where is the command. Locate, where is the command located, it will tell you. Type, show you built in or not. Show the path, so it will show you the path as well. So we type, in some cases it show us that the path. In some cases it will say that it's built in or not. In the case of cd, it's showing me that is built in, and ls it's showing me like this. In some cases it's showing me the path, so it's depend. Okay, in some cases it will show you the path as well. So for different purpose we can use the type command. Okay, so we use main, which is the main pages, which will show you entire detail. pinfo and info was almost similar like a main. Okay, what is this command, for which purpose? Okay, in one word, which we use that one as well. And also there is a lot of documentation you can find under this directory as well. And also, by the way, we use help, either dash h, either dash help. It can show you all the information. And obviously you can go to align these two links and you can get more information. They said, so this was the way, in case if you stuck, either if you want to know about the specific command, how I can use them, which switches I can use, which option I can use. So you can get help anytime using all of these options.